to demonstrate exactly what falcons do. Once they get stuck out of that tree over there, they're going to do a series of scoops and dives, hopefully. Where'd she go? Just give her 1 second, guys. Once they get a little distracted, it's hard to get them back on course. Maybe she'll be over there. There we go. As I was saying, they're going to do that series of scoops and dives, flushing the bird up into the air, making it a lot easier for her to come in and make that strike. She was actually hiding up in the trees. So you guys, this is Frida, our lantern falcon. Pretty cool when she actually got